Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to organize webinars in Microsoft Teams. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and go to the Calendar tab. At the top right, click on the drop-down arrow next to New Meeting and select Webinar. Now, fill in your webinar details such as the title, date, and time. You can also add a description so your audience knows what the session will be about. Next, choose whether your webinar is for people inside your organization only or for anyone with a registration link. Teams will generate a registration form that you can customize with your own fields and branding. Once your details are set, invite presenters and co-organizers who will help you run the event. You can manage their roles so that they have the right level of access during the webinar. When everything looks good, click Save. A registration link will be created automatically, which you can share with your participants. During the webinar, you'll be able to use features like screen sharing, spotlighting presenters, managing attendee permissions, and even Q&A tools to interact with your audience. And that's it. You now know how to organize webinars in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.